Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO A6 Pro and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account in this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find users and accounts. Then let's tap on Google, and I will start with removing my account. Let's tap on the three dots icon and tap on remove account. Tap on remove account again, confirm everything with your screen lock. Let me do it. And as you can see, the Google account will immediately disappear. Of course, here you can also add the account, so just tap on add account and choose Google. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation. You can use Wi-Fi or mobile data, it's completely up to you. And here in the step you can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone, so let me do it and tap on next. Right here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Alright, and tap on next. Here we have to decide who will be using this device, so just mark the option and then tap on next. Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, you can tap on them to learn more and tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the Google services, the Google Play, so use biometrics to verify purchases, just tap on accept. And as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.